Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm here in my car and we're going to have just a fun friends day together. We are going to head into the farmer's market. I need to get some fresh produce. I'm really hungry for some yummy peaches. We're gonna get those too. And I'm making some sun tea at home, so I wanted some fresh peaches just to put inside of there. And also tonight we're going to celebrate my birthday a little bit early because next weekend we've got so much going on. The following weekend our friends have stuff going on, so not everyone's able to make it tonight, but we're going to go to some winery. I've never been there before. It should be fun and I'm going to bring you all along. So let's head into the farmer's market, get some produce, and enjoy a fun day together. These snapdragons are so pretty. I do have some that are in my garden. These are so pretty. And oh my gosh, you guys. Sunflowers. I have to tell you though, it makes me really excited. I think I'm gonna get these. Oh yeah. While I was gone, Mark made my famous hot peppers and oil. Oh my gosh, this is so good, friends, and I forgot to pick up some like baguette or Italian bread. So we're definitely gonna have this over the weekend. Oh, it tastes so good. He did a fantastic job. I'll leave my recipe in the description box, but let me tell you, it is so good with banana peppers. I like to use hot, obviously, and not hot. And slices, thin slices of like the red, yellow, and orange garlic, and a yummy seasoning. And if I can find the seasoning online, I will also list it because this seasoning is what really makes it so good. And of course, a good olive oil. It's been a while since we've done a little garden update. Peppers and onions are doing good. I've got to harvest some lettuce. So we're gonna have salad for dinner this weekend, well, as a side. And let's see, my peppers, the patina are looking very pretty. I'm getting quite a few peppers over here. This crazy wildness got so huge. I do need to do some pruning. I'm not sure why I'm getting some brown over here. But wow, did I totally misjudge what this is going to end up looking like. But oh, I have a big weed there too. But I like the wellness of it, I have to say. Got some cucumbers and some beans growing here. Doing very good. I've got to start using up this basil. It just did not do well here. I've got a couple tomatoes coming, which is exciting. And same with over here. My wildflower garden is doing just beautifully. Not wildflowers, just my beautiful flowers here. And I need to cut some so we can have some in a vase inside the house. And how's things looking over here? I don't know, my catmint is looking rather sad. Not real bloomy. I just don't know what's happening here. Some of my wildflowers, looks like my bee balm is basically didn't do that great this year either. I don't know, friends. But all these other things, all these beautiful flowers, the colors look just gorgeous. And I just love how pretty all of this looks down here. Really, really pretty. Well, friends, we are ready to head out for my birthday celebration with my friends. So this dress, I think I shared with you guys before, I did get it at Marshall, so sorry. I don't have it to link, and then just some shoes from Target and just all my little fun jewelry. So like I said, we're gonna be going to a winery and I'm really excited about it. I have not been here before. Some of our friends have, so it'll be new for me. I'm not sure if we're going to do anything after, but at first we're going to stop at our friend Jody's house to start off the birthdays, festivities, and then we're going to head to the winery. So I'm really excited about it. It's a beautiful evening, and I'm just really looking forward to spending time with some friends and doing a little pre-birthday celebrating. So we're here for dinner. The place is beautiful inside. Just a really, really, really pretty place.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.
Well, good morning, friends. We had a great time last night doing a early celebration of my birthday. We went to that winery, like we said. It was just really a beautiful evening. Lauren and her husband, Mark, were also invited to come, but they had plans already to take her mother-in-law out to celebrate her birthday. So it was just the six of us. Like I said, we had such a fantastic time. And I'll have to show you my gifts. Oh my gosh, I love my gifts so much. And so I'll show you those. Like, I was so excited. So today's going to be more of a chill day. I was changing the sheets like I do every Sunday. And honestly, I'm like, Karen, some of my drawers here in our bedroom are just a mess. I feel like I gravitate towards the same tops as far as like layering tops, and it's just shoved with stuff that I probably haven't touched in a long time. So I'm just going to chit chat with all of you while we do some organizing of my one drawer. It's almost embarrassing how much is in there. And I feel like I just got to get rid of stuff. I'm so tired of thinking, oh, one day I might wear that color. If I'm not going to wear it, I'm not going to wear it. So maybe you guys can, take this, if you have your TV, your laptop, or phone, bring it into your room, and let's go ahead and organize a drawer today together. And that way we can inspire each other just to get a little summer cleaning. We do spring cleaning. Well, I'll do a cleaning any time of the year, to be quite honest with you, but I just feel like I just can't take it anymore. And we're going to go ahead and organize my t-shirt drawer. Okay, actually I did leave some shirts in there that I had rather organized, but I had so much stuff thrown on top, I didn't even notice it. So I'm just going to organize things by color. I just feel like, I don't know, is there any easy way that you guys have to fold shirts up in your drawer? Sometimes I do. I don't know if I should just roll them or just tightly fold them. I used to have them by like short sleeve and long sleeve, but that never lasts. So why even bother going through all that? I think I was going to put them by color and then just sort of fold them. But you guys know how much I do love layering tops. I use them all winter, like under blazers, under sweaters, like sweatshirts too, to just keep me cozy. So I do use a lot of them. I do have specific brands that I really do like. And if you guys want, I can link those for you because I am a layering girl. So is there let me know in the comment section, there's the one specific drawer that you have in your bedroom that is just hard to keep organized? Or do you have a tip? Let me know. Let us all know, because I feel like we all just can learn from one another. And it's just, I don't know. It's not easy. These here I don't like, so I'm getting rid of those. And some stuff I feel like, you have at the time it was a t-shirt that had a cool saying on it or something like that. And then now it's not it's not even cool anymore. So you get rid of it. And that's what I'm going to do here today. But this is a good way too of looking at what I have and what I need more of. Like this white one is, this white one is horrible. It's going. You too. I'm not even gonna bother. Sometimes you just need some fresh white layering t-shirts. But I can tell you right now, I do have a lot of dark ones, a lot of black ones, and a lot of gray ones. So I think I'm good with that. which is good. This is a good way of getting an idea what I'm going to need for the fall season as far as maybe colors or more of. But I can say you can't go wrong with the blacks and the gray, white, and of course I love the brown. But like these white ones are just looking, oh, they're horrible. They're just horrible. I bought this one for, I'm trying to think of whose birthday was. I think it was Gemma's birthday last year. Her theme was groovy. So I bought this little groovy shirt, but I know I will never wear it again. So I'm giving all this to Goodwill. And of course I love my Jewel Tone. These beautiful like olive colors. So yes, I will absolutely wear this. And Time and True has some good ones. And that's from Walmart. They have some great ones there. Oh, this was the boutique that I used to have, the online boutique. I love these t-shirts. I love how soft they are. I wear these all the time. So I do have it in this beautiful color, and I also have it in the mustard. So these are ones I just love to throw on when I'm out and about in the garden or lounging around the house with a pair of shorts. Yeah, I ended up with two. I think when I closed the boutique, I ended up just taking, there was an extra one. So I took it so that I can just have a lounging top, which is great. So I'm just folding these and organizing them into colors, and then I'll put them nicely back into the drawer. But at least I'll feel good knowing that I've got one drawer that's organized. I feel like I don't really use the drawers to how I should in our bedroom, because I do have like these little boxes, storage boxes, like they're nice. I think I showed you before when I've done videos with my closet. So I do have a section where I have them, and I have like sweaters and sweatshirts and all that. And I feel like I tend to, like my pajamas are there, my bras, underwear and stuff like that. So that's where I mainly am getting dressed, in my closet. So these are more like extra kind of things, but I feel like if I can really clean out these drawers, I could have more room for things. I feel like it's just so overly crowded with stuff I don't even know that's there. So I might even pick a few more drawers and get those organized today. But I'm hoping that you guys are taking this video and watching it and organizing your drawers too. And maybe we could just, and like I said, inspire each other to get a little clean. And it always feels good, right? When you can get stuff, get rid of stuff, purge stuff, and organize things. So I just have here like my darks, gray, some whites. You can tell I need some more whites because I got rid of a bunch. And then just these beautiful kind of fall colors and my t-shirts from the old boutique. So I still have some room, and I know we have a little laundry. So I'll see what I have in the laundry to fill in here. So that's good. This is my legging drawer. This is horrible. I can barely get it open. These are actually my new ones from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which I love. But yeah, this is a bit ridiculous. And I know there's some in here I just don't ever wear. So we're going to go ahead. I'm on a roll now. This is like exciting. I'm getting a lot done and a lot I can give to Goodwill. Much better. These are like my everyday, my Lululemon. These ones have like a little warmth inside of them, so these are, I like to wear these in the winter. These ones are more of that kind of a sheen to them, if you know what I mean. Hard to explain, but hopefully you get it. These I like to wear when it's maybe a little chilly out, but I want to wear one of my really pretty flowy dresses, you know, when it's maybe spring or fall, or we're going to go to a restaurant and I know it might be chilly in the restaurant. I want my legs to be warm. I'll wear these little white leggings, especially because, well, you know, if I have a light dress underneath, just no one knows it's there, and it keeps my legs a little cozy. So that's my little secret. So I love these for that. Check out some birthday gifts. Okay, so this is one of the MacKenzie-Childs. I have the big barn sale. So I got this canister. I thought it's gonna be so perfect for the summer, right into the fall season. My friends, Lauren, Jody, and Kimberly got me this. I love this bowl here from MacKenzie-Childs, and also this beautiful tray. They know that I've been tending towards that Nancy Meyers aesthetic, so I thought they would also incorporate some of the blue MacKenzie-Childs. And look at how pretty it looks with this pattern. I absolutely love it. I am so excited. I can't wait to add some more pieces. And then one last piece I got for my birthday. And then also this utensil holder in the same pattern as the canister. It is so pretty, you guys. Again, I think it's going to be perfect for the summer and right into the fall season. Let me know your thoughts. And if you do collect MacKenzie-Childs, which pattern is your favorite, or which one do you collect? Sweet friends, well, we just took the moms home. We had a very lovely Sunday supper club. We just had some grilled pork chops, and I harvested some lettuce from our garden and had a delicious salad, and had some corn on the cob from our local farmers market. It was so good. And now I'm just going to chill out for a little bit, work on some content creation. I have got, oh my goodness, I've got my calendar for August. I've been filling it in with some really exciting videos, friends. Some little sneak peeks into some fall things, not decorating or anything like that. That's gonna come later. And I'm definitely gonna do that later this year than I did years past. I just feel like, that's how I want to do it this year. So slowly transition into it. But I think you guys are going to really like how I'm going to do all this. I'm really looking forward to it. You will be seeing a Hobby Lobby and Michael's and all that. Some of the things that really caught my eye that I think you all might like. And I just like to give you my feedback. You guys all seem to really love this kind of videos. I've got a marathon video coming out, which I've been having a lot of fun with. I also, oh my gosh, I'm going to be doing a fall plan video, and this is not going to be like the ones I've done in the past. It's going to be much different, and I'm really excited to bring it to you. I think you guys are going to really love it, and it'll be something that even you can just save and hold off to whenever you're ready to watch. But I think you're going to love just getting a little prepped, a little prepared, a little inspiration ahead of time, along with so many summer vlogs still to come and videos. I'm going to be taking you guys next week to something so super cool. So I do pray that the weather holds out for it, because I'm so excited about this. So I cannot wait. So I'll be filming that for you. I can't say what it is yet. And if you guys can all keep my daughter, Caitlin, in your prayers. She is having gallbladder surgery. And so I want to be taking care of my little baby, just, being a mommy. She's an adult and she's a mommy, but you're always a mommy. And so I'm gonna be helping with that and all, all that stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to say, friends, I surely hope that you are enjoying your summer, and just let me know how things are going. Let me know if you organize some things as you followed along with me today. So let me know, and I hope that you all stay safe and stay healthy. And I really look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and just like a place to hang out and chit chat and hang out with a friend, you are at the right place. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. Join my Enhance the Seasons with Karen family. I'd love to have you. Follow me over on Instagram too, because I do post a lot over there as well. Alrighty, friends, I love you so much. Have a great evening. Good night, friends.